Welcome to Fashion Box Office. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this. Please turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Now, here are the top health benefits that you don't know about baking soda. Number 1. Treat kidney disease. According to Dr. Julian Whitaker, is an alkaline substance that is produced by the body which buffers acids and helps keep our pH levels in check. Whitaker adds that people who suffer from kidney disease have a hard time removing acid from their body. But a recent study conducted by British researchers shows that sodium bicarbonate actually slowed the rate of kidney decline by 2/3. Number 2. Mouthwash. Baking soda can act as excellent mouthwashing. Healthline states that baking soda can reach corners and crevices of your teeth, tongue, and gums that can be missed when brushing your teeth. The easiest way to utilize baking soda as a mouthwash is to mix half a teaspoon with half a glass of warm water. Number 3. Soothes canker sores. In 1973, a mouth clinic was formed at Sunnybrook Hospital. Most of the patients that came into that clinic were suffering from chronic ulceration. It was tough to diagnose and even tougher to treat at times, but specific therapy that included baking soda improved the conditions of 7 out of 10 patients. Number 4. Whitens teeth. According to Medical Science Monitor, the reason why baking soda is so effective when it comes to whitening teeth is because of its mild abrasive properties allow it to break the bonds of molecules that stain the teeth. Baking soda also contains antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that can help fight harmful bacteria. Number 5. Deodorant. From the School of Medicine at the University of Oklahoma explains that baking soda acts as a natural deodorant because it can eliminate the smell of sweat by making the odor less acidic. Number 6. Could improve exercise performance. Muscles produce lactic acid, which is why you get that burning sensation during exercise. Lactic acid lowers the pH inside your cells, which could be the reason why your muscles get tired. A study was published in Biome Central, and it concluded that the participants who consumed sodium bicarbonate before exercise elevated their peak blood lactate levels, and lowered the rating of perceived exertion. In simpler terms, participants were able to exercise longer than they usually did. Number 7. Treats itchy skin and sunburns. According to WebMD, baking soda contains properties that can help soothe the redness that's caused by itching and the stinging sensation caused by sunburn. There are many over-the-counter products that contain baking soda, but you can make your own paste out of baking soda, or take a bath and add it to the water. Number 8. Whitens your laundry. According to research done at the University of Nebraska, because baking soda is an alkali when it's dissolved in water, it has the ability to interact with the acids from stains to help remove them. Number 9. Removes carpet stains. When you combine baking soda and vinegar, it creates a compound called carbon acid. This ingredient is common in cleaning products. Together, they create a fizzing sensation that seeps into the carpet and removes the stains. The bottom line here is that baking soda is a versatile product that has many uses besides cooking. But before you attempt to use it for health benefits, I would speak to a medical professional first. I would also proceed with caution if you're putting it on any area of your body. The properties in baking soda can irritate the skin and the eyes. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.